All right, let's see how trading goes this morning with my bot. I have I'm still using the small take profit settings because I'm just trying to, build these accounts bit by bit, not really looking for too much from the market. I don't want to be getting stopped out at break even on potential winning trades and then taking the full losses on losing trades. So, all right, so we went down a little bit, got that initial bearish move, and now it's going to be looking for longs. So we'll see how it goes. Just got to watch. Probably it's going to reject a bunch of trades and eventually take some, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be trading one of my 50K PAs, one of my 250Ks, and one eval today. I'm trying to go kind of one by one almost to build up the balances to get them at least to payout status for each one. But I'm not copy trading all of them because if I have a bad day, then it hurts me a lot more mentally to see red on all the accounts. Especially, I'm not trading accounts that have some buffer available. I've got about 1,049 on one of my 50Ks, 755 on one of my 250Ks, and 900 something on another 250K. So I don't want to touch those. I'll start trading them again once I've hit the minimum safety net on the rest of my PAs. All right, so it scalped a tiny bit there. Only $75 though. I don't like the sizes of the wicks on the candles that I see all morning, especially now. I think I've got a feeling this is going to be a little bit of a choppy day with sharp moves and then immediate reversals. Really, yeah. I guess, we'll just see. More rejections because the risk to reward was too high. All right. So took a loss. We were at about negative 380. Max loss is 400, but it will not interfere with an open trade. I've been thinking about switching my settings so that if the unrealized plus realized, washing machine. So I've been thinking about switching my settings so that it will close an open position if the total loss for the day, including open or unrealized loss, exceeds 400, which is my maximum loss limit, rather than letting the open position play out and maybe we get some gains back, or maybe we take another full loss and end up with like what we see here, which is 784 lost. Well, that's a lot more. That's almost double my $400 daily max loss limit. And I know that can happen, but I also have realized that when that unlucky scenario happens like this that we see here, and instead of losing, $800 on my 250K PA there, I lose almost double that, 1578. On days like that, when I see that unlucky scenario play out, in the past, I have manually intervened by disabling the daily max loss limit and trying to have it trade more and hopefully make it back, or excuse me, or even manually intervening and trading myself, essentially just tilting because of that. And I don't want to endure that stress of the additional, what do you call it? The additional uncertainty there. And I'd rather just sacrifice the potential turnaround. And, as soon as we hit $400 max loss, then it just closes an open position and we're done for the day. So yeah, today just solidified that. I'm switching to that strategy, and that's what I will be doing from now on. I'm also starting to read the book, The Best Loser Wins. I think that's what it's called. Somebody on YouTube recommended it. I forgot who. Let me just double check the title for you. Yeah, Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. My friend also recommended the Zen Trader as well. And he is really good about, sticking to his rules. If he has a bad day, he just stops. And that's why he's successful. So anyway, we've hit the max loss for the day. It's not going to be trading anymore. I'm going to keep doing these daily updates. I hope this is helpful, seeing not only the perfect days or the profit days, but sharing the losses too. I'm not trying to pretend that my bot and myself are invincible. And I'm not trying to be a guru. I'm not trying to say I am a good teacher or that I am an excellent trader. I'm just sharing my journey building my bot, because I literally cannot trade the market most days because I'm too busy with family stuff in the morning. So I need to be able to supervise while, my bot does it for me. And I'm taking you guys along for the journey. So subscribe if you haven't already. Like if you like the video and the transparency. And I'll see you in the next one.